Alright guys, it's me Caleb and I am back. I know it's been a while, but I am back with another Gemini 200 model review, and today I'll be reviewing the JetBlue Airbus A320 in the Gemini 200 scale. This is actually my first JetBlue model that I have. If you've been following my channel, and you've been keeping up with my trip reports and flight videos, then you probably know that my most recent trip was to Las Vegas earlier, or actually last month, I should say, in February. And so while I've had the break, figured I would go. If you don't know, the airplane shop, which also is where Gemini Jets is located, they are in Las Vegas. I think that's one of 3 locations that they have, but that's their main location. And so every time that I go to Las Vegas, or I've been there before, I love going to the airplane shop. It's a little store, but they have a ton of model planes, and if that's what you love like I do, or if you collect them, then you'll love that store. This is the first of my 2 models that I actually got from the airplane shop when I went last month. And I'm happy that this is my first JetBlue model. I've never flown JetBlue before, but they do fly about 6 flights or so into the New Orleans airport every day. They fly to Boston, Fort Lauderdale, and New York JFK, and hopefully one day I will be able to fly them. But anyways, here is the model, so let's jump right into it. Your typical black Gemini 200 box with the gold trim and lettering on it, and of course the picture of the model on the front of the box. And we'll go ahead and get into it and unbox it. Typical traditional button or snap to the box that these models have. This one has the white foam, which I think might be newer on the Gemini 200 models. I know that they used to have a darker foam. The stand is in the box. I'll go ahead and take out the 3 pieces. If you watch my videos, then you probably know I don't use the stands. Actually, I put them on shelves in my room. And there is the model. Go ahead and take that away. And take it out of the foam carefully. Make sure not to break anything off. Any little pieces. And there is the model. It's a beautiful model. Came in great condition. It was actually the last model left at the store. And so I figured, don't have a JetBlue model, might as well. And so that's exactly what I did. And I bought this one. And it's a great model. So we'll start from the front. All JetBlue planes, I'm pretty sure, have like a nickname written by the nose of all the aircraft, and this one is red, white, and blue is the nickname to this aircraft. And of course the front entrance door with the Wi-Fi decal on the front. Of course, these planes are very detailed. And the JetBlue written across the front fuselage in billboard style. The engine with JetBlue.com written on it. Very tiny lettering on the wing. And it's probably going to go blurry on me. But pretty sure it's just like do not stand or whatever it usually says on the wing on both sides. And then of course the winglet, which is actually the older style winglet for the Airbus aircraft. The newer design is the sharklets, of course, kind of like the blended winglets on the 737s and the Boeing aircraft. The Wi-Fi dome on top of the rear fuselage, with the antennas and all of those. The American flag, and the tail number for this aircraft is November 537 Juliet Tango. And of course the Airbus A320 logo underneath the windows. And the tail design, I know JetBlue has many different tail designs on their aircraft. That's why it's always kind of exciting. They do have special liveries too, kind of like Southwest and other airlines. But it's always kind of fun to see the different tail designs that come in for JetBlue. This one is, I'm pretty sure JetBlue nicknames it High Rise is the name. I looked it up on their website. It's listed all their tail designs, and this one I think is called High Rise. With all the different colors on it. I'll give you a look. And give you a look from the back, and it keeps falling on me. But again, like I said, this is a great model. Came in great condition. Price-wise, this model is going to run anywhere. There's many websites that you can get these models from. I bought this one from the store, like I said, the airplane shop. But these models are going to run anywhere from about between the price range of $70 and maybe $85 or so. Kind of your mid-price range. And of course, the prices kind of vary by size. But about $70, $85 for a model of this size. But again, definitely worth it. These are die-cast model aircraft. They come very detailed and most of the time in great condition. Another thing I did notice with this model is that it did not come. Sometimes the models, or most of the time, really these models come in the different landing gear configurations, either landing gear down or landing gear up configurations. And this one only came in the landing gear down configuration, so I thought that was kind of interesting. But yeah, there's the model, and then, like I said, definitely a beautiful model. Now the stand, which I'll finish up in the video, comes in 3 pieces. You have the main piece right here with this plastic part where you put the there, and sometimes it's kind of hard to get in there. I don't think they go quite all the way in. I dropped it. But anyways, comes in 3 pieces, pretty easy to put together. Sometimes it's just a little challenge to get in there, but I don't think they go quite all the way in. And then basically it just stands like that, and there's a hole in the bottom of the plane that obviously you would sit it on top of there, and that's how the stand works. Like I said, very easy to use and put together. I just happen to put them on my shelves in my room, just like it is here on top of the box, just sitting. If you actually go in the airplane shop, that's how they all have them in display cases, sitting like that. And they have a ton of the different models in there. But like I said, I'll be uploading my other model here soon. And like I said, also, if you haven't checked out my trip report videos or flight videos from my recent trip to Las Vegas, be sure to check those out as well as other flight videos and trip reports coming up in the near future. Thanks for watching.